This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lois Kozak. Why pay rent when you can own? This well-maintained home offers an open floor plan windows installed in 2014 offering lots of natural light. The fully fenced yard has concrete curbing for easy mowing and your plants can stay beautiful. There's even a unique butterfly design in the front yard. The double driveway gives additional parking. Enjoy your morning coffee on your lanai and have a barbecue with your friends on the large decorative patio. The 10x10 shed offers extra storage and there are 4 rain barrels for watering your plants. The roof was done in 2015, central air and heat in 2013, plus the whole house was repiped in 2014. Make an appointment to see this find and be pleasantly surprised. For more information, review the details below or contact Lois Kozak at 941-426-0755.